Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to review the new mini camera from Runcam, the Runcam Swift Mini 2. In this video, I'm going to go through its features, show you what's new, and take it outdoors and compare it side by side with the first generation of the Runcam Swift Mini and also with the Foxeer Aero Mini Pro. Just like the Runcam Swift Mini 1, it's available in three versions. You can either get it with a 2.1mm, a 2.3mm lens, so I've also got this version, and there is also a 2.5mm version. In addition, you can either choose a PAL or an NTSC version, so take into consideration that it's not selectable in the OSD of this camera. Now, what is new in this camera? Two things. First of all, it features an OSD. So unlike the Runcam Swift Mini 1, now it has a VBAT sensor, so you can see we have an extra pin. Besides that, all the dimensions are the same, both weighs 12 grams and they have the same proportions. And another new thing that they've added is a preset scene selection. So you have 6 options you can choose from. Personal mode, which means you can define the settings for yourself and then the camera is going to use these settings. Lightrax mode for night, outdoor mode, indoor mode, cloudy mode, and finally a Twilight mode. In order to switch between these presets, you can either use the included OSD controller, or preferably you can use this camera control adapter from Runcam that is going to allow you to change it through your remote controller without having the need to connect the OSD controller. I'm going to post a separate video about how to use this control adapter. In order to change the settings of the camera, short press the joystick and then you can go through the standard settings. The system is not configurable, so you need to either get an NTSC or PAL version, and the aspect ratio is 4:3 and it cannot be changed in the settings. If you want to change the on-screen display settings, long press the up button and then you can select the information that's going to be displayed on the screen. And in addition, you can also change the scene. Right now it's set to personal. You can switch between all the other modes just by toggling it like that. And if you want to save the mode, hit exit and it's going to be saved. In order to change the scene selection, you can also long press the right button and it's going to switch between all the modes as well. The next thing I'm going to do is to take these 4 cameras outdoors and I'm going to test the Runcam Swift Mini 2 on 3 out of the 6 presets. I'm going to test the Lightrax mode, outdoor mode, and indoor mode. I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions about these cameras, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video and consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos and goodbye.